Most people waste hours every week doing things a computer could do faster. In this video, I'll show you 3 free AI tools that can save you time starting today. Let's start with the first tool. ChatGPT is great for writing, summarizing, and cleaning up text. You can paste any article or email and instantly get a clear summary or a more professional version. This alone can save you 30 to 60 minutes every day. The second tool is Notion AI. It's perfect if you want to stay organized without thinking too much about structure. You can dump messy notes into Notion and the AI will turn them into a clean task list or summary. Once it's set up, you don't need to think about it again. The third tool is Perplexity. Instead of reading multiple articles, you get one clear answer along with reliable sources. It's a much faster way to research and learn. If you like practical AI tools that actually save time, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. New videos every week.